to the Accountancy Learning Sample Paper Debriefs. I'm Sarah, and in this video I'll take you through the AAT Principles of Costing Sample Paper 1 Task 3. So Task 3 is all about recording costs. In Part A, we're asked to identify which type of responsibility centre is most likely for each of the scenarios below. And we've got three there. We've got individual retail shop, accounts department, and the southern division of a manufacturing organisation with its own capital budget. The options that we've got to choose from in our drop down are investment centre, profit centre, and cost centre. So we need to match these up. So an individual retail shop then. So that would be a shop, people go in, buy their products, and that shop makes its own profit to contribute to the business. So when we're talking about individual elements, it's going to be the profit centre. So profit centre is what makes money for the business. So the accounts department then. So the accounts department doesn't have, there's no income for an accounts department. So it's all a cost to the business. So it's going to be a cost centre. We're going to be charging costs to the accounts department because they have salaries, they have other purchases that they need, maybe stationery, subscriptions, etc. But there is no income. And then the last one, the southern division of a manufacturing organisation with its own capital budget. So as it's got its own capital budget, it means that there is some form of investment. So this will be an investment centre. Nook Limited is a manufacturer of virtual reality headsets that use an alphanumeric coding structure based on one profit centre and two cost centres as outlined below. Each code has a subcode, so each transaction will be coded as a 6-character reference. So here we are given the information about the profit and cost centres. We're given what the code is and what the subcodes are. And we're told that each transaction is a 6-character reference. So we need to use both the code and the subcode for each transaction. Part B is code the following revenue and expense transactions which have been extracted from various records of the business using the table above. So our first transaction is sales to York in the UK. So we're going to be looking for the sales side of things. So that's going to be our VR headset sales. So the code that you'll choose, and you've got drop down boxes in the exam to choose from. So the code part of it will be SAL. And then we've got UK. So we're then going to be looking for UK for our subcode. And our subcode is 100. For production staff wages then, we're going to be looking for production first of all. So we're looking at our production cost centre here. So our code is PCTN. Then production is going to be, for the staff wages, is going to be a direct cost. So we're then looking under production, we're looking for direct cost, which gives us a subcode of 300. Packaging costs for postage of the headset. So postage, so that's all about distributing them. So we're going to be from our selling and distribution code. And this is going to be a direct cost. So in order to be able to sell and distribute these products, we need the packaging. So our direct cost under selling and distribution is subcode 700. Electronic components within the headset. So this is what actually goes in to make the headset. So this is part of our production again. And because it's making the headset, it's going to be a direct cost once again. So our 300 subcode. And then finally, bank charges. So bank charges is administration. It's not related to sales, production or selling and distribution. So it's going to go under our administration. And it's an indirect cost. So the bank charges has no correlation to the production. That brings us then to the end of task 3.